Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in a world of constant war? For ants, this is daily life. Welcome to the brutal reality of ant armies, the ultimate battle for survival. Ants have been around for over 160 million years. They are ancient beings that have taken over almost every corner of our planet. Today there are more than 16,000 different species with over 10,000 trillion individuals. Collectively, ants make up 20% of the entire animal biomass on land. Similar to humans, their recipe for success is collaboration. While a single ant might not seem impressive, together they achieve stunning feats. They construct complex colonies, care for livestock, pursue agriculture, and even wage war. Yes, you heard that right. Ants are constantly at war. Let's dive into the world of army ants. The army ant group consists of about 200 different species. These ants don't build nests. They live a nomadic lifestyle with groups of millions. On a hunt, some species form large columns up to 100 meters long, killing and dismembering every insect or small vertebrate they encounter. The biggest hunting parties can kill up to 500,000 animals per day. Some army ants specialize in hunting other social insects like termites, wasps, and especially other ants. Wasps may seem fierce, but when a swarm of army ants invades their colony, they don't stand a chance. Even if the queen survives, the army ants steal the larvae, ensuring no recovery. When army ants discover another ant colony, they immediately attack. You might think this would be an even battle, but it's not. Army ants act as a social unit, making them especially dangerous. Individually, they may not be impressive, but their sheer numbers overwhelm their victims before an effective defense can be mounted. Interestingly, army ants don't fight other army ants. When two swarms encounter each other, they either pass through or move away. From an evolutionary standpoint, it makes sense. Other ant species have adapted to survive army ant attacks. Some panic and evacuate their nests, carrying as many larvae as they can. Others have evolved worker classes with big square heads to block nest entrances. Leafcutter ants form some of the largest and most complex societies. They live in extensive nests with millions of citizens. They have large soldiers whose sole purpose is to defend against army ants. However, the army ant species nomadic is particularly deadly. When attacking a leafcutter colony, their robust soldier caste and sheer numbers often lead to devastating results. Despite the powerful defense, the army ants often penetrate deep into the nest, stealing tens of thousands of leafcutter larvae. Even if the colony survives, it's a heavy blow. When army ants attack, death follows. But there are other species forming even larger and more dangerous ant armies. They deserve their own video. In the world of ants, war is a constant, be it in tropical rainforests or the cracks in the concrete we walk over every day. Ants are always ready for battle. For ants, the other ant will always be the enemy. Some groups just don't get along.